Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share easy AI tutorials that help you save time and create better content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the official Napkin AI website. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign Up or Get Started. You can create an account using your Google account or your email address. If you already have an account, simply click Login and sign in. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Napkin AI dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now let's create your first visual. Click New Napkin to start a new project. You'll see a large text editor. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually designing graphics, simply paste your content or type your ideas. For example, if you're explaining how AI creates videos, just write a short paragraph describing the process. Within a few seconds, Napkin AI automatically analyzes your text and suggests professional visual layouts. It can generate flowcharts, process diagrams, timelines, comparison charts, and clean infographic style graphics. These visuals are perfect for YouTube tutorials, business presentations, educational videos, and even client projects. If you don't like the first design, don't worry. Click the refresh or regenerate option to see different visual styles. You can also customize colors, icons, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your personal brand or YouTube channel. One feature many beginners don't know is that you can edit every element manually. You can move boxes, change text, replace icons, and rearrange the design exactly the way you want. This gives you complete creative control while still saving a huge amount of time. Once your design is ready, click Export. Depending on your needs, you can download it as a PNG, PDF, or another supported format. Then simply import the image into your favorite video editor, like CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Canva to make your videos more engaging and professional. My biggest tip is to keep your text simple and well structured. The clearer your content is, the better Napkin AI understands it, and the more impressive your visuals will be. And that's how you can use Napkin AI to create professional visuals for your videos in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next.